Hello people, today we got y'all a little project we've been trying to knock out. We've been working on it here and there, but not consistently. We're trying to build, we are building a vanity slash desk for her makeup mess.
Yep, I'm gonna use it as a vanity, but I guess you could use it as a desk. I mean,
because right now she has the IKEA, what's it called?
MALM, M-A-L-M table, dressing table or something.
It's nice and stuff, but it's just too small.
It's still my style, but my style's changed a little bit, so I kind of want something a little more.
And this one's huge compared to that. It's almost double that one. We got a 6 2x6s, and it's gonna be 33 deep by 64 wide. And we're gonna have steel legs, flat black, and we are staining the wood with mini wax special walnut 224. Let's get started again.
That's about it, yeah. He's done a couple of things ahead of time just to make the process easier so you guys aren't sitting there.
Yeah, like I said, I've been working on it here and there. Cutting the wood, cutting the metal, welding it together. I'm not a welder. I wish I was. I'm not. But yeah.
Yeah, let's get started. James!
So I'm gonna start by staining the wood, since that takes kind of the longest. We did a little test, see what she liked, and she wanted to do it by rag, so we're gonna do a rag. Make sure I got the right one. Yeah. You do want the sides
Yes.
stained too, right?
So do you go like with the grain of the wood or?
Yes. Go with the grain, long strokes, whatever you're comfortable with. And like I said, we're using the rag, so you can use a lot of things. I mean, I don't think it really matters unless you're doing like a fine detail. I ain't a pro, so hey, you let us know. Because if you do it the other way, it's kind of weird when it dries.
Okay. And also he is staining it before he's even like screwed anything together. So right now they're still completely loose.
Yes.
And nothing stuck to each other.
Yeah, still gotta paint the legs and stuff. So.
And are you gonna stain the sides as well, or like the inside?
Should I?
I don't know, just like a little half part. So like,
oh yeah,
the
just
divot.
so you can see it.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not dry completely yet, but that's basically what it looks like. I mean, if you want it darker, you can either do a thicker coat or just do a second coat. If you want it lighter, you can drag this one in and just get another rag and just clean it off and get a lighter coat. This one doesn't matter how you do it. I mean, it's just a little side piece. No pun intended. What?
Oh, it's looking so pretty. I love it. I love the color of the stain. It was the hardest decision to make, wasn't it?
Hold on.
Like there were so many stains. What were you doing? Chewing your thing? Oh my god.
Sorry. Not for me. I would have chosen the, what is it? Jacobine
or something like that.
Very dark. Nice.
Yeah, do you want to show the sample stains you have?
This is 2 coats of the special walnut. 1 coat. This is dark walnut. And this is Jacobine.
Yeah, so that one's like nearly black.
I would love this one right there.
Yeah.
For me. But not for me. It's for her. So she chose this.
Right now on camera,
Yeah.
it looks like it's the middle one. It
Over
almost,
there?
Yeah.
This one? Or it looks like this?
Yeah.
No. Oh, okay, from the camera.
It looks like that on camera. It looks
No, it's not.
exactly like it.
So here's the leg, one of the legs. This is 1.5 by 1/8 angle iron. The top, this top will screw into the piece of wood. I got holes in it already. And it just bolts to the leg or the bottom piece. This is a square tube, 1.25 by 1/16 is the thickness of it. Not too thick or nothing. So, and then I just welded it together here. Like I said, looks like shit probably, but hey, Don't worry about that. We're trying to make it rustic. I gotta take them apart. They're already sanded. Just gotta prime them and paint them.
You said they were already sanded, but...
Hey, this is just to show y'all.
Okay.
So this is the next day now. We let the stain dry for basically 24 hours. We went to get this polyacrylic protective finish, clear matte. That's all she wants. So we're gonna coat this on with the little brush, and that's it. And to save some time, yesterday we also primed and painted the legs, the bolts, the nuts, washers. And that's it. Yeah, let's get started.
Is there any method to it? Or you just kind of dip it in there and just wipe off the
just
excess?
kind of do that. In the same way,
Alright.
go with the wood grain.
I need to go turn up the music.
So here's no sealer, and these are all sealed now.
Like right here where the glare is.
Well, this one's still not, it's still kind of wet.
Yeah, it's still kind of wet, but you can like see the
Yeah.
difference here and there too.
And like I was telling her, if she don't like it, I'll take it.
I do like it, so
Bullshit.
your
Not what you're
SOL.
saying.
Babe, that's a lie.
Today's another day, it'll be the third day working on this vanity desk. All we gotta do now is put it together. I got the screws, bolts, nuts, legs. Hopefully just put it together. So here's my setup. There's the legs, other leg, the piece that's holding the wood together. This one too in the middle. That one. And I got all the screws, nuts, bolts, and the nuts are in there. And it flips upside down to make it easier to work with. And Coco's gonna help me. That way whenever I put it all together, I just flip it the right way. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart.
I'm the guy with the gun.
I got my little handy helper here. We're gonna flip this over. Like I was telling her, I don't think she's gonna like the finish of the clear coat.
Oh, I did read it said it was gonna make it a little more amber.
Like I said, you don't like it?
It's for you? Okay, let's look at it.
We're gonna flip it that way, kinda.
Okay.
Just kind of pick it up. It's not heavy, but
It's like bulky.
yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh wait, I can't get it. Can you get it?
I got it. There we go. It's on the hose.
I like it.
Psych.
To me, it looks like a little bit warmer because of the light, I think. Because in the garage,
It's
just
still
like
kind of
very
wobbly, but
Ooh, it is wobbly. I mean, it's more sturdy than what I have now.
I think we need another piece of metal on the back.
You think you're gonna do it or no?
I don't know what you think. You tell me. So pretty.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the project we did. I mean, it's not all fancy or nothing, but it took a little while. I like the final result.
Me too. I love it. And it's handmade.
Hmm?
By my babe.
And I did from scratch. I did make it
Obviously, yeah. I mean, as you
from scratch. I
guys
didn't buy no pre-made nothing other than the steel, and I welded it together. Not perfect welds, but it looks good.
Perfect enough. It looks so good. I love it so much. It's honestly like perfect. We did like talk about doing like drawers or like shelves or like little baskets or anything, but I just couldn't decide. And honestly, I feel like this is like
And it's,
enough.
It's
like,
big enough on the top so you
yeah,
can
it
put all
has
your
so
stuff.
much. And the vanity I have now, I have a drawer, but honestly, when I'm sitting there, I don't want to like pull out of the chair, open the drawer, and like I don't keep the stuff that I use on a daily basis in the drawer. So, oh, because we're not going to the door. Let's
And
go.
this is huge. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. If y'all got any questions, let us know. We'll see what we help y'all with. And thank you for watching.
Bye.
See y'all on the next.